She judge malo she gra for the street work for them to say see the guy no where. Okay. Hello. Shaggi.
Yeah?
You know they talk.
Now this song I tell you someone feature the video for the remix now.
You want feature the video?
Yes.
So that for you. You want feature the video? Why the song want to blow? With this song where you want feature the video? How radio station want to play? And radio station will not get for it. How they want to play?
I'm Brodashaggi. Who be this bastard?
So wait till they for you. Why they laugh?
Chai.
See, go straight to your question. Wait till happen.
Okay.
Brodashaggi.
Yes.
1 million or stay in Nasoro for 2 weeks.
See, if I give you blow for jaw,
Yes.
you go get weak blow for ear. Hey, you there okay? We got to be question with that one. 1 million naira sleep for where? Sleep for Aso Rock.
Yes.
Say Aso Rock, to sleep for Aso Rock now it be the next thing for your head to take, because your head is a empty skull make a bad brain. You know they get everything when they happen for this country to go sleep for Aso Rock. Aso Rock call Olumoro Kidi. You there okay?
Yes.
Brodashaggi, calm down now. It's just a question. And moreover, Nasoro is a very beautiful place.
We just
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a very beautiful place.
Yes.
Well, they're beautiful Nubia. Wait, say you know you're a joker. Eh? Without your contact lens, maybe like Indomie Webon, you there okay? Say, oh, bad. I mean, you know that this country, you know, see what they happen for this country. For people to collect their money for bank, that they give them blue. One way for this bank, where they for this corner yesterday, they give her one blow for injure commot. They carry and reach hospital. Oh yeah, doctor country time, doctor say they got pay you. Okay. Cash, they don't get. Oh yeah, transfer. Network no go. As I they follow you talk now, that boy dey for Makoko. On top of that, now he want mama, now he dey treat am. They follow me talk say, wait, I want to ask you one question. How you take this share? You get for it?
Yes.
I be your boyfriend and friend that tell that. If na friend that tell that, talk oh, because everybody we need for as we dey like this, so before it don't become good oh, for our own country, where they produce school joy. Eh? You don't get work. Like that, they do up and down. You don't get work. You know, even if you don't get work, you know if you just sit down for us. I know if you do every day, quite. You know they do meditation.
Brodashaggi, you're just gathering information on the street.
Well, like Mohammed. Wait, make I even ask you one question. You don't go POS recently, you go collect money. Oh, never go POS. Risky. You get what it is though. No problem. I go tell you this cause as they go outside. We poor mass people.
Yes.
You understand? If you want to collect 10K, guess how much you take collect 10K now?
I don't know.
12K. Extra 2K. Yes. 2K. Maybe say if I use that and buy for put for I better pass my neighbor generator. If I bend down like this overnight, 3 days it never finish.
I'm not here speaking out.
Now you the extra 2K. Now you dey pay. Wait, wait till be that your question from beginning. Sir.
1 million naira or stay in Nasoro for 2 weeks. Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Give me 200 now. Hold note.
What is that?
I go there okay. Because me as I did like this, I don't tire. Because when you both say what? A tire of a model is a no movement forward forever international. Oh yeah. Suppose we see this on sale for get down. Yeah. Thank you.